This question belongs to algorithm subject and was asked in GATE CSE 2020. So the question states, let G equals to V comma E be a weighted undirected graph and T be the minimum spanning tree MST of G obtained using adjacency list. Suppose, so we have a graph G and we have its MST T. So what is a MST? MST is basically minimum spanning tree. So it is a subgraph of a graph which is a tree. Connected subgraph. It is a connected subgraph of a graph which is a tree. Tree means it is acyclic and it is connected and it has number of vertices. If our G has V vertices and E edges, then it has number of vertices as V and number of edges as V minus 1. Okay. Suppose a new edge U comma V belonging to V cross V is added to G. So we had U vertex and V vertex as every vertex is part of this our T, and but our edge UV was not part. Now we added the edge UV. The worst case complexity of determining if T is still a MST of the graph is. Okay. So see, MST means initially it didn't have any cycle. So first when we will add the edge T, then it would create us one cycle. And then restore the MST property, we have to remove the edge with maximum value from that cycle. See, suppose initially it was acyclic. Now when we added UV, then it will create a cycle. Now we need to remove the maximum edge among UV and the initial cycle to make it acyclic again. So how we do this? So we have certain steps. First we will run the BFS, which is best first search in T from U to V. From U to V, this edge is not present in T. We had U, we have V, and we have other edges. So we will run our BFS in T to find the edge with the maximum value in the path. It will take order of V. Why it will take order of V? Actually the complexity is order of V plus V. But number of edges in MST is equal to V minus 1. So it is order of V plus V minus 1, which is equal to order of V. So BFS will take order of V. Now, if the weight of that edge, suppose we get edge E1 and our UV edge is E2. Now, if the weight of the edge E1 is greater than the weight of our edge E2, then we will remove the E1 and add E2. Else, we will do nothing because the new edge will not improve the MST. The MST will definitely increase if E2 is greater than E1. So, cost for finding this, comparing this E1 and E2 is order of 1. So entire cost comes out to be order of V. So correct answer is option D. So what we are doing basically is, initially it is acyclic. When we are adding UV, it will become cyclic. So we need to find what is the maximum weight among this UV edge, let us suppose E2, and the edge of that acyclic, which is made a cycle then after adding U1. So we need to remove the maximum among them. Removing will take order of 1, but finding the max among that cycle, which is E1, will take order of V. So total complexity is order of V. Option D.